Welcome to our formative test for September 14, 2022 for veterinary, endocrinology, and reproduction. This practice test will serve as a review of the topic on the classification of hormones based on its chemical structure and also to prepare the students for the summative test. So students are directed to answer the following questions. Justify or explain your answers briefly. The first student who will have the most appropriate answer will earn bonus points for the lecture. For question number 1, identify the different classes of hormones based on its chemical nature and cite at least 2 examples for each class. For question number 2, give an example of a protein hormone and describe its structure based on its amino acid sequence. For question number 3, steroid hormones are hydrophilic molecules. Yes or no? Justify your answer briefly. For question number 4, give an example of a hormone derived from fatty acids having a major application in animal reproduction. Justify your answer briefly.